Hello everyone, I'm super excited to show you our new JavaScript brick. If you've been wanting to incorporate JavaScript in your mods, this is the brick that's gonna do it, and it was just released this morning in 1.8.3. Check it out. So first of all, from any mod you're trying to build here, click this plus button and just search for JavaScript and you'll find this brick. Note, it's experimental, there may be some issues with it, let us know if you see any and we're happy to work on them. By default, it's going to set up just like this. So not clicking anything or configuring anything here, you can kind of see the format. You've got a function defined, you're passing it arguments. You can set these arguments down here and it's going to return something and that's going to be the output of the mod. Let's just run it real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Go on here, I'm going to do JavaScript brick, and you can see here's my output, hello from PixieBrix, because I passed it X was passed, and I just said return X. I could do something a little fancier with it too, for instance. Maybe I wanted to say, X and Y is 1 and 2, and I want to say return, let me make those numbers, and I want to say X and Y, pass those args, and then I want to say return X plus Y. Now let's run it again. PixieBrix JavaScript brick, and you can see we've got 3. So you can imagine, I'm not gonna, do a whole course on JavaScript here, but you can basically pass in these functions and do what kind of things you want with it. And then when you want to reference this output, click this and you can use it anywhere else in your mod. So for instance, maybe you want to show a window alert with that output. Just paste that value in there, and now when we run it, it's gonna show window alert with that. And again, you can reference whatever you want in terms of variables here, right? So maybe instead of hard defining 1 and 2, I'm referencing a variable from another brick and then performing some sort of manipulation on it. So that's what you can do with this. It's super cool. We actually have a user who's already got a really cool use case with it, and they are getting the timestamp from a LinkedIn post URL. And so basically what they've done is they've got this function that is using regex, it's getting the timestamp ID from a LinkedIn post and then doing all sorts of fun stuff to basically convert it to a human readable format. And so you can see how this works. Let's say I'm on LinkedIn and I'm gonna go to a LinkedIn post. Let's see, I'm gonna copy this link, go to this post, and from here, I can now PixieBrix, get timestamp, it's going to scrape this post and it's going to convert that block of text into a human-friendly timestamp that I can show in a window alert or in a sidebar. So that's a super cool use case, and that's just the beginning of the various things that you can do with the JavaScript brick in PixieBrix. So if you have any questions, join the community, reach out, let me know. I'm happy to help you, and again, if you see any issues with it, let us know, but super excited to see what you all come up with this.